Continuing on from last week, in today's tooltip, I'll show you one of the critical functions in SPC, which is the trend chart. So let's open up from the historic data one of the batches where we've just done the OD-SPC. So in here, you can see there's a batch of 50 tools we have ground, and we have used the laser OD-SPC, and we have done the compensation. So let's take a look at the trend chart, how it fares and what we can derive from this trend chart. So starting from 0, we have now gone all the way. By the time we reach the 50th tool, we've applied some compensation, and you can see it's around the 40 microns compensation in 50 tools on the OD-SPC. So what this basically means is there's been some sort of wheel wear, and we have applied the compensation all the way along, and this trend chart actually displays that the compensation that's done in a trend line. And what we can do is, based on this, the wheel types and the compensation applied, we have in iGrind what is called as the compensation for wheels, which can be automatically applied depending on the batch quantity. So from here we can derive the number or the wheel wear data and automatically apply that in case of OD grinding on the same diameter of tools with the same number of fluids. And this is scientifically getting the data to apply an automatic compensation.